Sometimes when the weather is really bad, I think, is there a hurricane I didn't know about? This is probably the most rain we've had in a little bit, at least over by our house. It's like a torrential downpour. Let's see if we can. I don't know if you can hear it, but anyway. So, yeah.